Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out the best identity provider for SMB apps by comparing Okta and Auth0. If you're looking for the best identity provider in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. Auth0 is a developer-focused identity platform that provides authentication and authorization services, designed for customer-facing applications. The platform uses standard protocols like OAuth 2.0, LDAP, OIDC, and SAML for integration with web, mobile, and API applications. Auth0 offers extensive customization through actions, which let developers execute custom code at specific points in the authentication pipeline. Auth0 Authentication API handles identity functionality and protocols like OIDC, OAuth, and SAML, while the Management API allows organizations to manage their Auth0 account programmatically, automating most tasks available in the Auth0 dashboard. Auth0 supports multi-tenant applications through Auth0 organizations, which allows businesses to segment users into groups with separate permissions and access levels. Auth0 provides security tools, including multi-factor authentication, MFA, and attack protection features that automatically detect and respond to malicious behavior. The platform also includes continuous session protection, a security center for real-time threat monitoring, and tenant-level access control lists to block unwanted traffic. Okta is an enterprise identity and access management platform for workforce identity management. The platform focuses on managing employee, contractor, and partner access across enterprise applications and systems. Okta provides access management through a platform that combines single sign-on, SSO, adaptive multi-factor authentication, lifecycle management, and centralized identity governance. It also includes AI-powered threat protection for real-time risk detection and phishing-resistant authentication through FastPass. Okta includes over 7,000 pre-built integrations with enterprise applications. Popular integrations include Salesforce, Microsoft, Google Workspace, ServiceNow, Workday, and thousands of other business applications. Okta provides centralized access management and compliance capabilities through 600-plus native integrations that discover users and permissions across the technology stack. Okta Threat Insight provides threat detection by evaluating sign-in attempts for potentially suspicious activity before authentication occurs, using machine learning to analyze data from across all Okta organizations to identify malicious IP addresses and credential-based attacks. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.